Hey guys, I have an unboxing for you that you might already know. Well, you know because you see the title. This is not the bag. The sales associate that helped us was so sweet. The mall, we went to King of Prussia Mall for Mother's Day. We did a little shopping, had dinner, like a little day date. It was so nice. I mentioned, if you've seen previous videos, that this may have been coming. So Dan took me and treated me. The mall was packed, mobbed between, you know, Mother's Day weekend, and then I think like there's graduations happening at the colleges close by. Like I told Dan, between the crowds and the lines to get into stores, felt like I was in Disney World. My sales associate gave me put the bag inside a white bag. I guess, I don't know, just to conceal, be a little bit more discreet. She was like, here, people are crazy out there. So I have a unboxing from Cartier. I wanted to wear it out of the store, but I also just love and appreciate pretty wrapped packaged things. So I'm excited to just like unwrap it with you. Although a lot of you probably know what this is. So this is the booklet with the receipts, her card. She's amazing. She was so kind and helpful and down to earth. I know sometimes shopping luxury can feel intimidating. I've felt that many of times, but it was not like that at all. Her name is Mandy, so if you're ever going to the King of Prussia Mall at Cartier, ask for her. She's great. The certificate of authenticity is here. Looks like this. The date and all the information. She actually gave me a bouquet of flowers, which I thought was so nice. So that's downstairs. And she put some little macaroons. They're probably like the best macaroons I've ever had. Here's the box. And let's unwrap this, shall we? I'm so excited. I wasn't going to film today. I'm filming this on Mother's Day, but I really wanted to wear this today. So here we are. Oh, it's so pretty. So they have like the heat stamps on both sides. It smells good. Why do we care? Why do we preserve the packaging like I'm doing right now? Why am I not just ripping this open? It's just too pretty. I don't want to. Okay. Here we go. Side to side. It's just like so detailed. Can you see how this is just like folded? Box. In a box. In a box. And here is my beautiful bracelet. So this is the Juste Clou. Probably not saying that correctly. This is the smaller of, wow, this is like, they have it, I don't know if you could see this, on a little thing there. So that way it doesn't slip around in the box. This is the smaller of the two. Fairly new to the collection. I, to be honest with you, have never really been crazy into this piece. I know it's very popular. It has a very loyal following. Lots of people stack it with their love bracelets. I've just never been that into it because it's always kind of felt chunky to me. But then when I saw that they came out with a more delicate version of it, I was all about it. I tried on this one, and I also asked her to show me the rose gold, the pink gold, because I was kind of going in between, back and forth. It's a very subtle difference. It just has the tiniest bit of pink to it. Ultimately, I ended up going with the gold, and this one has the diamonds, which I'm showing you in front of my window, so it's kind of blown out. But there's, hold on, let me see if I change the lighting just a little. Is that any better? There's diamonds on the nail head and then on the tip. When Mandy was helping me, she said, she had one, but she had like the original. She said if these were available when she got hers, because she got hers a long time ago, she said she would have gotten this one. It's like flexible, bendable. I've never seen anything like it. It's 18 karat yellow gold. when I was putting it on, because the other one, there's a hinge and like a hook and a security clasp essentially, whereas this one is just like you just slip it on, and I think it's gonna still take some getting used to for me to get it on. But she promised me up, down, and sideways that I will not break it. You cannot break it. She saw that I was like kind of nervous, and she was like, you can't break it. It's not gonna break, it's fine. She did say, this is just a tip, sometimes this happens. She said she's had people call crying thinking that they broke their bangle. If it doesn't go back, she said it's just on the wrong side. You just move it and there you go. So essentially, to put it on, you kind of have to press it against your wrist, and then this piece kind of comes around. And then to get it off, you go like that. So I like that it's easy on and off, although I do not see myself taking this on and off very much at all. Purposely wanted it to keep it on my wrist next to my love bangle and my other pieces that I very rarely take off. I think it's a beautiful addition to my arm party. I love that it's delicate because I do really like stacking my pieces. I did try on the original Juste Clou, and it wasn't as bulky as I had thought in my mind, but still, like, I don't know, I'm not saying no to it maybe down the road, but in that moment I was like, no, I definitely want to do the more delicate version. And honestly, it is a huge attraction and selling point to me that how like malleable and just soft and flexible and easy it is. I think that just makes it for me like, I don't know, better. I want more. I want the pink gold one. Also, side note, I will mention, so when I was checking out and she was being so sweet, she was like, do you want me to check your screws, make sure your screws are tight on the love bangle, which I thought was so nice. And when I said, yeah, sure, she actually reached for this one. She thought this one was my love bangle. This one is a Miranda Fry cuff. It has a clasp, a very secure clasp. I've shared this one on Instagram a bunch, but I'm noting it here because if you love the look and you want a little bit of a look for less, I mean, essentially, other than like the MF embossed and engraved in the bangle, it has the little cubic zirconians. It is a little bit more shiny than the love bangle. I feel like it's a higher shine because it's like, it's plated. I'm gonna leave a link for this in the description, and I do have a code with them for 10% off, and they do free shipping on their website. I just thought it was funny because she reached for this one thinking that was my love bangle. I don't even think she saw this one on my wrist until I was like, oh no, it's this one. So that is my unboxing. I think I'm already plotting my next purchase. Dan's like, let's just focus on today. But I was telling her, I think I want the love bangle in the smaller, thinner, in the pink gold. I eventually want to add a piece of Cartier to this wrist in the pink gold. I don't know which one, but I think this one is so beautiful. I think it's a classic. I'll have it forever. It'll be in style forever. I can then pass it down to Addie. I think that the diamonds just makes it that much better. And honestly, truly, the price difference between the solid and the diamonds isn't extravagant. I feel like if you're already spending this on the solid, let's just go for the diamonds. It's not crazy amount more, whereas like with the love bangle, the difference between diamonds and non-diamonds is astronomical. Something to note, but I think it's beautiful. I'm so happy with it. I'm excited to wear it today for Mother's Day. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Overall, it was a really nice experience at Cartier. Like I said, Mandy was fantastic if you need a good essay at King of Prussia. So that's it. I hope you guys all had a good Mother's Day. If you are a mama of any kind, there's a lot of different definitions to the word mom. And so I'm thinking of you guys all today. I know you'll see this after the fact, but I just wanted to still wish you guys a happy Mother's Day. Hope you all had a great day. Thank you for watching this video and watching my channel still in general, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.